Welcome to Users Productions. This video will demo how to repair Samsung Android earphone with TRRS connector with Samsung Android 3.5mm jack wiring method. Please support us by click like, click subscribe, click alarm all new videos. Copy, share, back up the HTTPS link. Step 01. Insert the jack case in the cable. Steps 02. Twist deep green, left audio ground, gold, ground. 2 times ground wires and 1 times ground wire. Black, microphone, green, left audio. Deep green, left audio ground. Red, right audio. Gold, ground. Step 03. Identify the cable. Black, microphone. Green, left audio. Red, right audio. Gold, ground plus deep green, left audio ground, ground. Step 04. Use lighter in your mouth. Burn out insulating coating by lighter, and stop the fire at correct location by your blowing mouth. Remark, no saliva. Step 05. Cut and remain 1.5mm burned out wire for soldering. Step 06. Use solder paste to heat the 1.5mm soldering points. Preparing for soldering. Step 07. Use soldering iron to make the wire heat enough to make the solder dissolve in wire. Remark: 1. You can add little solder paste to wire before soldering. 2. Remove the solder on solder iron. If solder is overheated by solder iron by long time, overheated solder is difficult to soldering. 3. Don't overheated wire by long time. It will destructure insulator in part of wire. Cut out part of wire may need. Step 08. Cut the soldered wires to 1.5mm. Step 09. Use soldering iron to make the soldering point heat enough to make the solder dissolve in point metal. Remark: 1. You can add little solder paste to soldering point before soldering. 2. Remove the solder on solder iron. If solder is overheated by solder iron by long time, overheated solder is difficult to soldering. 3. Don't overheated 3.5mm jack by long time. It will destructure insulator in jack. Replacement of jack may need. Step 10. Use soldering iron to melt the solder already dissolved on both wire and soldering point to make them together in correct location. Samsung Android 3.5mm jack wiring. 2 times ground, 1 wire. Red, right audio. Green, left audio. Black, microphone. Step 11. Place the wire on holder sleeve. Use long nose pliers to close the holder sleeve. Remark: this is not a long nose pliers in this video. If solder contact to jack case after close the jack case, cut the solder. It will shorten ground to microphone wiring. Step 12. Close the jack case. Please support us by click like, click subscribe, click alarm on new video, and copy, share, back up the HTTPS link. Click below. Amazon, https://Amazon/ to buy the product.